Hi everyone, welcome to the session. Today we'll be learning all about MBA exams. Now there are various MBA entrance exams like the most famous one you must have heard is CAT and after that XAT, IFT, CMAT, SNAP, etc. etc. You can select the colleges you want to go to and take few or maybe take them all. Why do you do MBA first of all? You do MBA for a career boost. You do MBA for better salary because when you go to top colleges, you get a business environment, you learn more through networking, and of course, it strengthens your business network as well as business skills. So, if you're planning to be a top manager of an MNC or to start your own business, you really get to learn a lot to really handle that kind of work. Now, CAT is one of the famous exams for MBA. Apart from CAT, there are other exams as well, like we have just seen XAT, IFT, NMAT, TIS, CET, CMAT, etc. We'll start with CAT. There are various top IIMs you can get into through this exam, CAT, and like IIMs are a brand. Once you like clear the exam and get into top IIMs, your future is quite sorted. You get higher positions of managers in top MNCs. So like one reason majority of the people go for this exam. Now, what is the structure of this exam and what about this exam? So, this exam happens once a year around mid November. The duration of the exam will be 2.5 to 3 hours. The registration will start from August. After you've registered, you've filled the form, you'll take this exam around November, mid November, most probably, and results will be announced in January. Once the results will be announced, you will get a call if you've cleared the cutoff, of course, for your VAT personal interview, group discussion process, and in around February or March, you will go to the college to participate in like this admission process. And towards April, you will get offer letters, like you'll get admission if you've got the college or not. Now let us know a bit more about this college, how exactly you will go ahead with this. So the full form of CAT is Common Admission Test. It's a computer-based exam, of course, and conducted by few IIMs. Every year, approximately 2 lakh people take this exam. In order to take this exam, you have to meet the required eligibility criteria, which is you must be a graduate with 50% in any stream. Uh, and it can be 45% if you belong to SC, ST, or maybe a person with disability. Also, you will get 3 hours for this exam. Total questions will be 100. Majority of the questions will be multiple choice questions, whereas few questions, like 28% questions, will be TETA questions. TETA as in type in the answer. So you will get a question, there are no options. Whatever answer you think is, you simply have to type in the box below the question. Now, if we see the exam structure, there are three sections in the exam. Quantitative ability, that is maths. There will be approximately 34 questions. Verbal and reading comprehension, VARC English, there will be 32 questions. And DILR, data interpretation, logical reasoning, again 34 questions. The total questions will be 100. Now let us see an example of like one of the questions, right, which kind of questions you may come across in these exams. Although in CAT, parajumble is theta, you don't have options, whereas in other exams, like XAT, IFT, you do have options. But since we are solving it together today for the first time, we'll keep it towards the medium level, or questions can be slightly more difficult than this, but certainly not easier. So let us take a look at this question. Now, one thing you need to know, everyone, that whenever you're solving this, see, whenever you're reading this, the first step, they like you can't apply any strategy or anything just as soon as you start reading first sentence. You need to surely read everything once and then try to figure out how to make a sequence. Once you've read everything, understood the theme or topic, okay, what's going on, after that try to make a pair. No need to make a sequence, right? Like of course you have to figure out the sequence in CAT as there will be no options as such. But first of all, just find a pair out of these four sentences. Which two sentences must go together, are like together? So one hint, for example, there are various ways like subject to pronoun, then verb to adverb, noun to adjective, etc. that you will learn like more in my sessions. But for now, for example, let's take this particular question. Option C, logic means if we take its original meaning, the science of valid reasoning. So logic means science of valid reasoning, right? Now, what about valid reasoning? By reasoning, we mean the mental process of drawing an inference from two or more states. So, we are saying logic means something related to valid reasoning. Now, reasoning, we mean something. So, C is 100% a link or a pair. Now, if we have options, our work is done. Right? For other example, if it is cat, your work is still not done. You still have few seconds to spare on this question and come out with correct sequence. So by reasoning means we mean the mental process of drawing an inference from two or more statements or going from the inference to the statements which yield that inference. Right? So we are saying to draw inference to understand something from the given statements. So then from that, so we are saying so logical reasoning covers those type of questions in which we draw inference. Right? Now clearly is also an indicator of conclusion, isn't it? We normally use clearly, hence, and all these words towards the end. So by this, your sequence is quite clear that D should be supposed to be at the end. Clearly, for understanding arguments, we need to infer correctly, and CABD is your sequence. Right. Of course, as I said, this is a medium level question. You might get more difficult than this in exam, and also in CAT it will be certainly without options. So we'll solve all those things in my plus classes, right, on an academy app. So you can join this core booster batch 3.0. It is an advanced level batch starting from 24th April. All top faculties are like taking classes in this particular batch. This particular batch, to be very frank, is for students who are at any stage of their preparation level. Either you're taking CAT again, so you can solve all the advanced level questions, or you've just started, because initially, of course, we'll teach you the approach. Like advanced level batch doesn't mean that everything will be very, very difficult. You can just understand some approach in the start and then reach the advanced at the highest level of questions, right, after a few after a few days. So like it will be a quick batch for like those who need to just get done with their preparation in like next couple of months, and also for those who have already started preparing in this year and need that last revision to reach that 100 percentile. To get more idea on this batch, you can join my free session on Academy app using my invite code Deepika Avasthi, which is my name. And also, whenever you join my like free session, you will get some complimentary practice material from my Telegram group or channel, which is the name is Verbal Aptitude. You can search it, or when you come to my session, you will find the link there. You will just click, and then you can be part of my channel for all the updates of the sessions as well as any practice material which I share with the students. You will also receive that. If you're like enrolling in this batch, you can simply just go to the Unacademy app on search button. Just search this core booster app batch, like in the search button from top right hand corner. You will see a green button below enroll in batch. You can just click on it and you'll be enrolled. You'll get the notification whenever there are sessions happening in this batch, be it maths, DLR, or English. You can also use my code Deepika Avasthi for 10% discount on these plus, because it's a plus session. Thank you everyone. See you soon in plus. Stay tuned for more such sessions. We'll discuss more about XAT, IFT, CET, CMET, other exams on my free as well as plus sessions.